These warm brown tones honestly just remind me of leaves falling off the tree. On today's episode of Prepare to be Floored, we are creating this autumn toned tile transformation. I just finished up the look and I am obsessed with how it makes the room feel, so let's get right into it. Today we are transforming this gray tile right in front of the door as like this little mudroom area, and I just thought having some color and pattern could really bring it to life. I went with a simple white base coat just to get a nice clean, fresh start. Warning, please make sure your pets are not around because my dog decided to run all over it, but it was not that big of a deal because it was just the first coat and then I covered it up with my next coats. I'm going to be filling in this floral stencil with these deep orange, brown, and then a beige color. I'm also going to be adding gold accents in very specific spots. The main color of this stencil is that beige color, and then the center of my stencil is filled in with that darker orange. I added my gold accents on the outside corners, and once I revealed it, I loved the outcome and could not wait to keep repeating it. Right away, I noticed how beautiful it was when the sunlight was hitting these colors and it was making that gold just reflect so beautifully. This was the perfect spot in the house to add these colors. Painting tile is definitely time consuming because you can't rush because you want everything to be very clean, but it's honestly so therapeutic in a way. The combination of the floral and harsh lines in this stencil just really make me think of those crispy leaves that are laying on the ground outside. It just takes the idea of that and turns it into a symmetrical design. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.